Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron back once again bringing you guys a brand new video today. Today we have a review on two products from Keysmart, the Urban Slim Wallet and the Keysmart Pro key holder. Both of these products are great for everyday life. They help you ensure that you never lose your wallet or your keys again through the help of tile tracking. In this video, I'm going to show you all the details of both of these products, show you why they're so helpful in your everyday life, and give you guys my final opinions on them. If you're interested in checking them out further, visit Keysmart's website. I'll have a link in the description down below. Check down there if you want to check out these two products or any other products. Before we start the video though, if you enjoy it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like rating on the video. It really helps me out a lot. And also let me know in the comment section down below what videos you want to see in the future. But let's go ahead and jump right into this review and I'll show you why these two products are so awesome. Alright, so let's take a look at the Slim Wallet. Now the Slim Wallet retails on their website for $40 starting out. Now that's without a tile tracker. If you want to upgrade to the tile tracker model, which I definitely recommend, you're looking at $70. Now that might seem like a lot, but a wallet's a good investment because you really are going to be using it for years and years. So when you think about it, you want to get one that's going to last and one that you're going to enjoy and continue to use, since you're going to have it on your person every single day. Now the quality of the wallet itself is very good in terms of material. It's made out of Tech Tough leather, which is supposed to last 10 times longer than regular leather. I've done some tests on it in terms of like scratching it with keys and stuff, and it doesn't scuff up at all. It's supposed to last for quite a bit of time, and in my opinion, just being able to touch it and hold it in my hand, the quality of it is really good. You're not going to have to worry about this thing getting ripped up or getting scuffed up and marked up. It really is durable, and I feel like it's going to be something that lasts for years to come without wearing down. Then on the inside, you have nice cloth material. It really feels also durable. Like I said, I don't think that you're gonna have to worry about the inside getting messed up either. And also on the inside, you're gonna have the tile pocket. It's got its own individual pocket, so once you put it in there, you're just gonna want to leave it there. And after that, it holds up to 6 cards comfortably. Now I personally have about 5 cards in my wallet with a little bit of cash on the inside, and I haven't had any issues with getting any of my cards out. It's got a little thumbprint area at the bottom, and this makes it really easy to slide your cards up individually, get them out, make your transaction, and then put them back in the wallet without having any issues of them getting stuck or any difficulties of putting the cards back in the wallet after you take them out. Then the last real main benefit of this wallet is going to be the anti-RFID blocking. So whenever you do have this on you with your cards in there, you're not going to have to worry about anybody being able to swipe your cards digitally through RFID. If you set it down on a table that has RFID built in, you're not going to have to worry about it swiping your cards off you, which is great. It just gives you peace of mind that your cards are secure in the wallet, and also your data is secure from anybody that might be trying to steal it, through wireless technology. So overall, in terms of build quality, excellent. The tile tracking is excellent, and then anti-RFID just is the cherry on top that makes this wallet the best in my opinion. I think that from my experience, working with my cards and stuff, I have had no issues whatsoever taking them out or putting them back in. It fits nicely in my pocket. I don't ever have to worry about it looking bulky or making my pants stick out or anything like that. So overall, really no complaints with this wallet. I think it's fantastic. I think it's going to last for years to come, and it's definitely my favorite wallet. I think it's one of the best on the market. Now moving over to the Keysmart Pro. The Keysmart Pro retails on their website for $49.99. It comes in 2 different colors, black or white, so you can choose whichever one you like. And really what this is an overall solution of keeping your keys maintained and controlled, rather than having them all jingling around and flopping around on a lanyard. It's a much better solution to have it inside of this, where you can easily slide them out, but it keeps them maintained and also keeps you from losing them because you've got that tile tracking built right into the Keysmart Pro. Alright, so some of the main benefits and features of the Keysmart Pro is obviously going to be organizing your keys. They have individual spacers in between each key, so you can choose which one you want to slide out. You can slide them all out if you want to, but you really don't have to. You can be selective. It has individual spacers, like I said, that helps you with that, and it can hold up to 10 keys total. So you can fit your whole key ring on here, not have to worry about it. I know for me personally, it really makes things easier rather than having keys jangling around and stuff in my pocket. This is just one little device that keeps them all organized. It also features a micro USB charger on the top, so you can keep the tile function charged and ready to use. You definitely don't want to let it die. It has an LED indicator on the device that shows you how charged it is. Green is obviously fully charged, and then orange means you need to throw it on the charger. Additionally, it has a little LED flashlight on the front, which you can use, if you're in a bind or something and maybe you're looking to unlock your door but you can't find which key you need to use. It's really nice to be able to turn that little flashlight on and use it to see in tight situations where you may need, a flashlight but not want to pull out your phone and use that. Additionally, with the Keysmart Pro, they do offer accessories on their website. This one comes with a bottle opener, so you have a built-in bottle opener on your keys, which is nice. You can choose to leave this on or take it off. I personally like to have it on there. They do also sell additional little accessories on their website. For instance, you can get like a USB, you can get a pocket clip, you can get a quick disconnect feature, or a screwdriver, and those are all things that you can add on here if you want. They are additional on the website, but it's nice that they have additional accessories. If you did want to add one on there down the road. All right, now obviously one of the best parts about these products, besides obviously the way that they're built and just the products themselves, is going to be the Tile app, which helps you track both of these products inside the app and helps you locate it and find it inside your house if you can't for some reason find it, if it's lost in a pair of pants or something like that. So both of these are inside my Tile app right now, and if I'm losing one for some reason, I can't find it somewhere in my house, I can obviously go to find, and it'll start playing a noise. And it'll do that until you stop it. So once I back out, it'll stop it if I find it, obviously. And the same goes for the wallet. If I do that, it'll play that song until I find it. So incredibly cool. You can also go to your map right here and it'll show you exactly where these are located. Obviously don't want to give my location away, so I'm not going to go there, but literally if I click there, it'll pinpoint exactly where these are. It's incredibly accurate. So for instance, if you leave them somewhere, you'll be able to go to this app right here to the maps and you'll be able to pinpoint exactly where they are. So you'll never lose these outside of your house, and you definitely won't lose them inside of your house because they both have those noise features attached, which will help you find them if they're lost. So like I said, you'll never lose your keys or your wallet again. Alright guys, so that concludes my review on these two products from Keysmart. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're interested in checking these out further, visit the link in the description down below. I'll have a link to their website where you can check these two products out and all their other products that they sell. In conclusion guys, these products are great. I think the Urban Slim Wallet is the best wallet on the market. It's my new favorite wallet. I think the Keysmart Pro is awesome for keeping track of your keys and making sure that you never lose them, and also just keeping them in one place. Once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. Leave a like rating on the video. It really helps me out a lot. And let me know in the comment section down below what other tech products you want to see in the future from me. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.